What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Balboa back again with another video. Today we're going to be tackling some of the 5 best herbs to help you with anxiety and insomnia. Anxiety and insomnia are two main things that are like kind of common, which they should not be. Of course, you should do a lot of things to reverse that kind of thing in your life. But in the event that you do have any of these problems, because it is a crazy circumstance, you may not want to turn to medication. Sometimes medication gives you anxiety and insomnia. You may not want to keep on taking drugs on top of drugs on top of drugs just to cure all these problems. You may want to turn to these herbs. So I got 5 of them for you that'll help you out with those issues. Help calm you down, relieve your stress, make it easier for you to doze off at night, which we all want to do because y'all need sleep. First herb on my list, shouldn't be a shocker, it's a pretty common herb, is chamomile. Chamomile does a great job of relaxing you. It's been used throughout centuries to do just that. It contains a compound called apigenin, which is believed to have a sedative effect. Chamomile is normally consumed by tea, which I normally do, or you can take it in pills and other ways, of course, but it's easily taken. Just put it in a tea bag, drink the tea right before you go to bed, you're right out of there. Second one is lavender. Lavender is such a beautiful thing to use. It's super common, you know what I mean? It's gonna be hard for you not to be able to find some lavender. Even planting it is very easy. For that effect, lavender is kind of used in lotions, oils. You can get this also in other forms as well. Good practice with lavender would be take your nice warm shower, bath, whatever, right before you go to bed. Lather yourself down with some lavender. You can even use lavender soap. Just lavender it all up. Get your ass right up out of there. You be going to sleep. The third one is one of my personal favorites. That's valerian root. It contains compounds that increase the GABA, a neurotransmitter that helps promote relaxation and help regulate your mood. For me personally, this one is one of the ones where I get some of the best dreams, some of the best REM sleep in the world. I mean, I wake up with all types of revelations or just dreaming, you know what I mean? It's not often you always get the dream, so this one is one that I always get a good dream off of, you know, something that makes me think when I wake in the morning. Fourth herb is passion flower. Passion flower is normally taken in the tea, but also can be taken in supplement form. This one also increases your GABA, helps you relax, helps you just calm down so you can fall asleep, or just naturally function in smaller doses so you can just move around with a little bit less anxiety. And the final one, number 5, is going to reduce the levels of cortisol in your blood, which is going to in turn help you with stress. So you'll be able to chill out, get through your day, power through it, or fall asleep if you need to. You know what I mean? So ashwaganda is one of those good ones. Of course, this is not something that you take all the time. There are many studies that tell you shouldn't take it all the time. You should cycle through ashwaganda. But nonetheless, it's a great herb to help you relax and reduce your stress. With that said, you can take any 5 of these to help you get some good night's sleep, which we all need. Those days of pounding Red Bulls and just going at it all crazy and tossing and turning in your bed, nah, that's out. That's out. You need sleep. Trust me. All your hormones, all the gains you're trying to make as it relates to working out, as it relates to gains in your mental, your neuroplasticity, all that stuff. You need sleep for your brain and your body to regenerate. So take it from me, or take some of these herbs. And that's my Herbs Day. This is your boy Balboa, and I'm out. Peace. Love y'all.